Hi everybody. A very good afternoon. 12:30 by the watch. I'm Justine Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We are in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor, and interior solutions and stuff. And I have a great read before me because before I start my usual design work and emailing and thought sharing and calls and all that, I'm taking a good look at this book, which is um, on entrepreneurship and coincidentally it's American entrepreneurship. So there are these successful entrepreneurs and people all across the world, including the Shark Tank International, who shared their experiences here. So this is a great read because I kind of can relate with it, and I see this happening a lot in India and in other brands, and I also see this happening as I deal with or I work with different personalities all across the world. So there's no typecast for the jobs in which you hire people or the kind of personalities or people you work with and stuff. But yes, culture is important, and being surrounded with good people, helpful people is important. And it's not necessary that what you have in your office is going to be the only culture that you're going to be exposed to, because your country also has a culture, and people around you in your community also have a culture. And if you're a part of certain hobbies, or if you're a part of certain clubs, or if you're doing some work in humanity, or if you're kind of a part of, let's say, a drum circle or music groups, or a photography group, you're let's say a part of a connoisseur or a food club or whatever, that's also in a way a kind of culture. So every country or every brand or an office space also has a culture. So this is a read which is by a founder, co-founder, in fact. Her name is Prerna Gupta. She's an Indian, and I shared this, I think maybe 6, 7 months back, but this is a true story of hers, which is actually on getting help from the Godfather in the Silicon Valley, where she was looking for an investor. And she says, when I met Ron Conway from the Silicon Valley in 2017, I was someone who was filled with a lot of self doubt, and I was not very sure whether my storytelling app would pick up, and we would get investors, or we would have people inspired in leading our series and stuff like that. And then what happened is that, he gave me a tip, and he said, you know what, it's okay to have all these dreams. It's okay to be ambitious. In your case, I see you're aggressive about it and stuff, but be kind to people, okay? And he pointed out examples like Airbnb, Brian Chesky, and he said that, you know what, when I was trying to kind of build this brand and work along with this brand, I could see myself work with them without burning any bridges, because they were treating people the right way. And any relationship that they were in, maybe in an investor thing, or in a business management thing, or a client service thing role, or whatever, it was actually inspiring me, because the values and ethos were speaking about being kindness, about being kind and kindness towards people. And she said, he taught me how to kind of listen to people, and also kind of understand why certain things were going wrong, if certain people were not doing their works, or some people were not kind of feeling that great, or were feeling burnt out and stuff. Rather than debating on firing people and laying off people and stuff, we would actually give them a 6 months leave of absence, and then we would wait for them to come back. So we took that risk, and we took that option of kind of retaining our culture and our people. And she says it was a refreshing perspective, because he changed my perspective on the way I was. And it was also about being a better human being, treating everyone with compassion, and to keep in mind that all relationships are important and could be useful later on. And then also she says, when one of the employees came back, he came back. This person came back with a work or a strategy which worked 100 million times better than what he or she was previously doing. I think it's a he. And we became a massive hit. And I'm so grateful to Ron for teaching me that being nice is not a liability, but you have to be nice also in business. So this really kind